Everyone is running. But no one asks, where? Her life doesn't rush to arrive. It arrives and stays. Every wrinkle, every scare, every breath holds a story the time refused to erase. These walls have listened more than they have spoken. They have seen generations past and learned the art of staying still. The world moves fast to feel alive. But here, stillness breathes life. I didn't come to capture a place. I came to listen. Because not everything old is lost. Some things are simply waiting to be left.